Welcome to Programming with Vue. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Microsoft Word wizardry. Are you tired of manually removing unwanted spaces in your documents, one by one? We've got a pro-level solution for you. Discover how to effortlessly eliminate those frustrating unwanted spaces from your Microsoft Word documents. With a few simple steps, you can master this task like a pro. We'll take an in-depth look at Microsoft Word's Find and Replace feature and how to use wildcards effectively to remove multiple spaces. Discover practical tips and insights on efficient document formatting, saving you valuable time. By the end of this video, you'll be well versed in space removal techniques, allowing you to create cleaner, more professional documents in Word. Step 1. Avoid the backspace hassle. Bid farewell to the traditional, time-consuming backspace method. Step 2. The Ctrl+H Magic. We'll show you the power of the Ctrl+H keyboard shortcut. Click on the Replace tab, and in the Find What field, type 2. In the Replace with field, use 1. Step 3. The magic continues. Go the extra mile by selecting More options and ticking Use wildcards. Then, click on Replace All. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your fellow Word enthusiasts. Subscribe to Programming with Vue for more Microsoft Word hacks and tech tutorials. Thanks for joining us on this Word editing journey. We'll see you in the world of polished and pristine documents. Until next time.